We'll be looking at what code changes are required to upgrade a simple existing application to share its data safely between other services using different databases. To do this, we will update the code to allow federating some tables, represented here via JPA entities. We're looking at a diff between the origin master branch of Petclinic from GitHub and our changes applied to it in IntelliJ. We start with base entity, which is the common superclass of all the entities in the project. Since the original Petclinic application uses an auto-incrementing field as the primary key for all its entities, and since these primary keys will almost certainly clash on a federated table, we need to change the base entity class to use a UUID instead. Once this is done, we need to mark entities with a federated annotation, which informs the software that this table is shared between members of the platform. The ID attribute of the annotation must be unique across all the tables in the entire cluster. This is how the platform knows which table a record belongs to. The other changes left are about turning off caching, which is generally speaking a bad idea in cluster designs, and adjusting the same changes on tests. We're still missing the schema and initial data SQL files. We need to remove foreign and unique keys except for primary keys. This doesn't mean that you can't join, aggregate, or use those keys in SQL in the same way you used to do it before, just that in the beta version, you can't federate these promises exactly as the SQL standard prescribes them. So until we can, this is a planned feature, they will have to be turned off. We don't support many-to-many joins over unnamed tables via JPA either. Unmapped many-to-many relationships will not be federated. They need to be mapped explicitly through a federated entity with its own primary key.